Good morning, Barira. Aishin, please turn on your camera. Yeah, Aishin is here. Barira, please turn on your camera.
Barira, it's not here.
Barira, are you there?
Barira, are you sleeping?
And one more thing, Sidra, you will be
Yeah.
having the exam tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Actually, there was a slight change. Actually, I didn't notice the change. Because of that, I forgot to inform you, okay? Shiny ma'am
Okay.
was your lead teacher, right?
Yeah.
If any changes are there, we will just
Mom.
message you and
Okay.
inform you, okay?
Can I have 10 minutes?
What happened,
Because
Barira?
yeah, what happened? Can I have 10 minutes because I'm eating my food? I'm
What
actually
happened, dear?
eating. She's
Can I
eating
have?
her food. I want 10 minutes more, please.
Okay, do it
Okay.
fastly, dear. Okay, do the
Miss,
breakfast
look
Okay.
at
before the
my
class itself,
sticky
because
notes.
within 10 minutes you are
Miss,
going to have your
look,
classes. Yes, what is that, Sidra,
my
in your hand?
sticky notes.
Oh, did you wrote anything on sticky notes?
No, not yet. I'm too scared to use them.
Why?
Because these are new sticky notes.
You don't want to spoil them?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Aishin, yeah, you are having some weekend plans. Are you planning to do
Look
something?
like it.
Hmm.
Miss, when is the time of the exam?
uh Timing, it is not decided yet, but we will inform you today itself. We will
Okay.
inform you, okay?
Okay.
Jamshi ma'am will be messaging you, okay? Admin,
Okay.
from the admin side you
Okay.
will be getting the message about that.
Okay.
So don't wait. You yesterday you waited after the class,
Yeah.
for how much minutes you waited?
Like I waited after this class. I waited like 15 minutes. I think so. Yeah.
I got the message. After that, I got the message and I just informed, because I didn't know that. Sorry, dear. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
So, Al Fatih, so you're having any weekend plans, dear? No, you are in India now, right? So you are not planning for any outing. Did you had any rain there? Did you had any rain there? It looks
No,
like
no, no. There is no rain.
There's no rain.
Yeah.
oh.
In the morning, it's like heat, like hotter. In the night, it's like colder. That's it.
Okay. Did you had your breakfast, everyone?
Yeah, I had mine breakfast.
Aishin, no. Al Fatih also. You just woke up now, Al Fatih. So you can plan something for this weekend. At least you can study something. You can do something. I think you got your project works to do, right? Yeah, so you can just start doing your project works, so that during the end of the theme you will be having the assessment. So before assessment you are finishing all those things, it will be easy for you. So do it fastly, as soon as you can, okay? So you can spend time for that in this weekend. If you want to buy something to do your project work, you can just go for that. How many of you enjoys shopping?
I don't enjoy shopping that much as I like to game.
Oh, you like gaming.
Yeah, I like gaming. My most favorite game is Roblox.
Oh, and what about Aishin? Do you enjoy shopping? No. Yes. Oh, she enjoys it. Okay, then you can go for some shopping during this weekend. So, do your project works as soon as possible so that it will be easy for you. Like during the assessment, how you felt during the assessment last week? Did it happen in a hurry burry?
Yeah.
Did you got enough time to study?
I got a lot of time. At
Okay,
least
because
2 hours.
you are utilizing the weekend holidays, you can just use that holidays and start studying. So whatever were taught this week, you can just revise it on this weekend holidays, so that it will be easy for you. Okay.
Maze, guess when I wake up.
When did you wake up?
Guess you guess first.
Okay, 5 a.m.
Yes, yes, yes.
And what about Aishin also?
6.
6 a.m. Okay, okay. I think I am a little bit bad, because I woke up at 7 a.m. Not because I was sleeping. I'm having a little baby, so he was not
Okay,
sleeping.
okay. I understand. I understand. I have a little sister who is 2 years.
Oh, so he was not
Ye-
sleeping. The whole night he was
Yeah,
not sleeping. Because of that, I woke up late.
yeah. I understand. I understand. My little sister sleeps at random time.
Yeah, he also like
Ma'am, are you in UAE?
no, no, dear. I'm in India. I'm in India.
Miss, where are you in India?
Actually, now I am in Calicut. Usually, I used to be in Bangalore.
Calicut. What's that name again? Calicut.
Yeah, Calicut, Calicut.
Yeah, I even
Ma'am, my house is nearby Calicut.
Yes, Aishan.
My house is nearby Calicut.
Calicut. Okay, where, dear?
Miss
Nearby
Miss
International
even
Airport.
science teacher house is near Calicut. It's is in Calicut.
Yes, 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 Calicut.
Akram,
Yes.
ma'am.
Teacher.
What is the name of the place, Aishan? I didn't hear you, dear.
Nearby the Calicut International Airport.
Okay, okay, okay. So, you know something, our office is near that international airport. I think.
Yeah,
Uh,
my mom go and buy the books.
oh, okay, okay, okay. You can come there to visit us also. Usually, we used to go to the office in monthly. And Al Fatih is in Calicut.
Al Fatih is saying no. I think so. Miss, guess where I am? Where I am in India. I don't know what's happened. Miss, you're lagging.
Yeah, I'm lagging. Yeah, where are you? Sidra?
Yeah, Miss, you guess first. You guess.
In Kerala?
No,
Yeah, he was in Chennai. Yeah, he told me yesterday. I forgot that.
you guess.
In Bangalore?
No,
In UAE?
no, I'm not even in the UAE. My uncle is in UAE.
Okay, then not Kerala, Tamil Nadu,
No, it's
Karnataka.
close. I will give you a hint. It's close to Hyderabad.
Okay, which is that place?
Pakistan.
Then then you can
No,
tell. Then you can tell, dear.
yeah, Samsabad.
Oh, where? Samsabad.
Yeah, Samsabad. It's close
Okay.
to Hyderabad.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah.
So we will be coming there to visit you. So how was the place there?
It's good. Like near my home, it's like completely free.
Okay. You are staying in the same apartment or
You mean this?
We also have a garden outside.
okay.
Like a garden, a whole garden.
So you I'm lagging.
You mean this?
Whose mic is on?
Father is present something.
Oh,
You mean this? You mean this? Shamshabad.
yeah.
Okay. 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 Which is
Yeah,
near to Hyderabad, right?
yeah, it's
So
near to
you know
Hyderabad.
Telugu? You know Telugu?
N- No, I don't know Telugu. My whole family knows Telugu, but I'm the only one who don't know Telugu.
Okay, so you should learn Telugu from them.
Yeah. I only know M&D, that's it.
M&D. Oh, M&D. M&D means what?
What happened?
What happened? Okay.
M&D. Yeah.
Okay, then you can study more Telugu and you can just teach us
Yeah.
also.
Yeah, okay.
Like 5 years back, I used to see this Telugu movies and all, but I'm not now. I am not getting enough time to watch
Yeah, I
those movies.
understand. I understand.
At that time, I used to understand little bit Telugu, like akkada chudo, ikkada chudo. Some words are there, right, like that. But now I forgot everything. But you can
Ma'am,
study there.
see over here. It's near to Hyderabad.
Yeah, it's near to Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Okay. When I am coming to Hyderabad, like actually I was planning to come to Hyderabad. Like not,
Huh? So what happened?
but oh, my
Hello, ma'am. You are glitching.
yeah.
Miss, you are glitching. I don't know why the ma'ams always glitch.
Hear me now?
Miss, you are
Hi.
glitching. Miss, you are no, you are glitching. Like
Yeah, now
I
I think
only
now it
can
is okay.
hear.
Hi dear, hi Abib, hi dear.
Now I can hear
Why you
you.
are not joining for the assembly, dear? Why you are not joining for the assembly?
Hi.
Hi. I think you are meeting me for the first time, right?
Hi.
So try to join for the assembly, okay? So you should
Okay.
join before 10 minutes. You will be having assembly. So don't forget to join, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then bye. Which is your first ever?
Miss, you are coming to Hyderabad. You are planning to come to
Yeah,
Hyderabad.
actually I was planning, but when I'm coming, I will just inform you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Then
then
we can
bye.
what
Varda ma'am
meet.
is here. Varda ma'am is here. So she will
Bye.
be taking
Bye,
class for you. Okay, bye.
ma'am.
Have a great day. Bye.
Bye. You too. You
Hi,
Bye,
too.
Swati.
ma'am.
Are you wearing a swimming shirt?
Good morning,
What is
ma'am.
it?